Today we're taking a look at KCS, KuCoin, Token Cryptocurrency Analysis and Prediction, in anticipation of the next 24 to 48 hours. Welcome back to Crypto Cash. This is your one-stop shop for cryptocurrency analysis. Before I take a look at this analysis, do not forget to subscribe and get notified as soon as these videos are released so you have time to plan out your trades. If you want to benefit the most from this analysis, then I always recommend listening and to maybe taking notes. Be sure to watch the screen for graphs and charts that do reflect the analysis. This guarantees you have only the important information that you need so you can make an informed decision. I will start off by analyzing the fundamentals and then focus on technical data. I will also provide you with action plans for the future so you know what I would do in each scenario as a day trader and a swing trader. I have years of trading experience and my goal is to help you grow your wallet. Please note, this is not financial advice. This is designed for educational purposes only. Now let's get started with the fundamentals. First of all, KuCoin is an advanced, secure cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, whatever your heart's content. They have a significantly large variety of altcoins. It does allow also users to trade Bitcoin and tether USDT margined contracts with up to 100x leverage. They have a max supply of 170 million, circulating supply of 80 million. They are currently at right around approximately 47% of the total supply. Today's high is $17.50. Today's low is $12.59. It's an overall daily change of 22.5%. 52-week high is 1750, which was just hit recently, and the 52-week low is 0.63. It's basically 63 cents. Wouldn't it be nice to get in at that point? Bear in mind that was 2 to 3 months ago. The price has changed dramatically in the last 48 hours, but also a lot over the past week. This cryptocurrency is awesome for swing traders and day traders alike. The resistance level is $17.36. Potential support is hovering around $16. And now for the technical analysis. For my day traders out there, as you can see on the 15-minute chart, the 50-day moving average is acting as a support line. It hasn't been tested in a few hours, but will likely be tested again soon. Pay attention to the support line. It will likely create a wedge pattern between itself and the current resistance level. Also pay attention to the 100-day moving average, as it will be a secondary support line if the 50-day moving average fails. Another indicator, possibly the best indicator for my day traders, is the VWAP. It's been holding strong for the past 12 hours and has a very small variance. This is a positive sign because it does help you consider a long position. So if you are considering that, wait for some additional indicators, of course, but that definitely is a positive technical sign. Do not take a position until you verify the RSI is not oversold. I prefer anything under 70. Also identify the MACD is showing it still has momentum. So here is my action plan for the next trading day here. I would wait until 30 minutes after the resistance level of 1736 is tested to see if it is broken and falls below. Then I would wait until a second support level is created. I would also pay attention to the relative strength index, the RSI, to identify when it is considered oversold. Anything under 70 is ideal. I would also ensure the VWAP is holding. I always prefer to take only half positions until the VWAP is tested twice. Now you can do what you'd like here, but it's always recommended to not take a full, maybe a full position until you get some kind of confirmation outside of the initial. Once it's tested 2 times in a 15-minute period, I think it's go time, and I would add the rest of my position. And at that time also, I would plan on making an exit point, because again, these are always short-term trades as a day trader. So once the RSI hits just say 80, I would then sell off half my position and the rest in smaller increments as I get closer to my goal. For my swing traders out there, taking a look at the 4-hour chart, you can see the moving averages don't really matter at this point. So don't even bother with that. The thing to notice is the higher highs with brief patterns of consolidation and also the volume. The consolidation patterns tells us that there is more likely than not going to be another consolidation soon. In fact, we may already be in one at this point right now. The volume is also worth mentioning because it is very high compared to before. This tells me it would be helpful to consider a smaller chart and use the VWAP to find the best entry point. Another consideration is the RSI. It appears to be low, which is synonymous with the last breakout we saw after consolidation. Lastly, notice the red bar that just closed. This tells us momentum is potentially shifting. In this situation, as a swing trader, I would plan to do one of 2 things. First, I would use a 15-minute chart to identify if the currency is still respecting the support level created by the 50-day moving average and the VWAP. The 50-day moving average is a little ways off, so the VWAP could be the best indicator in this scenario. With the VWAP, you always want to ensure the price isn't overextended. In other words, if the VWAP line hasn't caught up to the price, it could reverse on you. I'd also look at the RSI, and if it's under 70, I would consider a long position, but only after the resistance level of 1736 is broken and holds for at least two 15-minute green bars. I would also only enter with half, maybe a third of the position. So if the VWAP support doesn't hold, I would only have a little bit of skin in the game. Again, don't go all in unless you're planning to hold on for dear life. If I was feeling bearish in this scenario, I would wait until after 15 minutes to see if it's still respecting the resistance level, in this case of 1736. I would then add my position or open a short-term trade as close to the resistance level as possible. I'd make the relative strength index or make sure the RSI rather is not oversold, and also pay attention to the MACD to see where the momentum's heading. When I short, I always like to sell in small portions. You'll hear me say this time and time again, never more than 20% at a time. This always ensures I'm profitable. Either way, we cannot stress this enough. Make sure you set a target, and if you don't hit your target, get out and take your profits. It's simple as that. Again, I know it's easier said than done. I might make it sound easy, and I've had some struggles with it too, but try not to get discouraged if things do not go your way. All right, this is something you're going to slowly learn to get better with over time. But between now and the time that you're, a professional, wouldn't it be helpful to be able to not take such strong of a loss, or to, have much better gains? Don't be afraid to take small positions. You don't have to go all in all the time. The key to being a profitable trader is to survive to trade another day. If you have no money tomorrow, what's the point of trading today? If you find benefit from this content, please like and subscribe. We want to wish you absolute best of luck on your trades. Let us know if there's anything else that we can do to help you out moving forward, or obviously anything we can do to improve. Tell your friends, share this content, comment below, let us know exactly what we can do to make this a better community so we can all learn and grow together and build our wealth. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.